Hi, I'm Nathan with SMC here at Automate 2024. Today we're going to be talking about the air management system from SMC. The air management system is part of our -D product family. The three main benefits of the AMS system is sustainability, condition-based maintenance, and digitalization. The sustainability portion of the air management system, what we're able to do with active sustainability measuring is be able to adjust the system pressure in a non-productive state. For example, when the machinery goes into a standby state, we're able to drop the pressure from example 80 psi normal operating pressure to a 40 psi at rest pressure. This does not evacuate the entire system, but just lessens the pressure. What this does, a really easy way to think about it is the physics. We are able to cut our air leakage in half just by doing that and not changing any process of the machine or any PLC code. The second thing that this air management system can give us is the digitalization functions. As I was saying in sustainability, as we're watching that pressure decay down, what that gives us time over time is a digital fingerprint on what our leakage rate is on this machinery. Because the air management system is part of the air prep family, we're not having to create a bunch of sensors and telemetry on the machinery. We're able to do it in one central location. All of that information is piped upstream via Ethernet IP, Profinet, EtherCAT, or most importantly, OPC UA. What OPC UA gives us is now we have a direct connection into a SCADA platform and as well as into a PLC platform at the same time. The condition-based maintenance part of this goes along with, it's all related, so we now have digitalized signals. Now we can track and trace and trend exactly what's going on with our machinery on the pneumatic side before we have a critical fault. What this really gives us is the check engine light. I see something that's not quite right, we're not broken down yet, causing unscheduled downtime, but next PM cycle, we need to go replace what's broken. This system also is very scalable. So this system, as you can see, inlet air, outlet air. However, this will scale 10 to 1 on the physical installation. What this means is we have a base and up to 10 remotes that can be up to 100 meters away, and the information will come back to one central base, one Ethernet IP connection, or one OPC UA connection, as it would be, for all 11 devices. This is very desirable in the field when we're talking about integration and integration reasons. So this has been the air management system from SMC. For more information, please feel free to contact your local SMC rep or your local airline rep.